Hi, hello, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Law Made Simple with me Vidya Reddy. Today, in the series of labor law episodes, let us look into the labor welfare. Let us go to the definition. Labor welfare relates to taking care of well-being of workers by employers, trade unions, government and non-governmental institutions and agencies. Welfare includes anything that is done for the comfort and improvement of employees and is provided over and above the wages. Welfare helps in keeping the moral and motivation of the employees high to retain the employees for a longer duration. The welfare measures need not be in a monetary terms, but also it can be any kind or forms. Employee welfare includes monitoring of working conditions, creation of industrial harmony through infrastructure for health, industrial relations, and insurance against disease, accident, and unemployment of the workers and their families. According to International Labour Organization, labor welfare can be defined as a term which is understood to include that services, facilities, and amenities as may be established in or in the vicinity of undertakings to enable the persons employed in them to perform their work in healthy, congenial surroundings and to provide them with amenities conducive to good health and high morale. So, labor welfare is nothing but providing them with good amenity conditions, giving them comfortable to work. The working conditions should be improved, and they also need some kind of amenities regarding the health, disease, and other shelters. Dictionary meaning: labor welfare is efforts to make life worth living for workmen. The need for providing such facilities and services arise from the social responsibility of industries, a desire for upholding democratic values, and a concern for employees. Welfare includes anything that is done for the comfort and improvement of the employees and is provided over and above the wages. Labor welfare entails all those activities of the employer which are directed towards providing the employees with certain facilities and services in addition to wages or salaries. Labor welfare implies providing better work conditions like proper lighting, cleanliness, low noise, and amenities like recreation, housing, education, sports, gym, etc. So overall, labor welfare is nothing but giving the employees, providing certain facilities like better work conditions and amenities like recreation, sports, and gym. Author James Todd, he said that labor welfare means anything for the comfort and improvement, intellectual and social of the employees over and above the wages paid, which is not a necessity of the industry. So let us look into the scope of the labor welfare. Labor welfare is divided into two groups. Welfare services within the premises of the factory, such as drinking and washing facilities, bathing, creche, canteen, restroom, shelter, gym, prevention of fatigue, and safety devices. And welfare amenities outside the establishment, they include social security measures like social insurance, social assistance, recreation, sports, workers' education, etc. So it also includes cooperative credit society, transportation, and housekeeping. Scope of labor welfare takes care of the workers' life from cradle to grave, as employee state insurance scheme provides medicine to worker's child and provides funeral benefit to a worker after his last minute in this world. Scope of labor welfare includes statutory and non-statutory welfare amenities, which are also increasing day by day, and in most of the workers' welfare is by and large acceptable to the society. So what is the scope of a labor welfare? It takes care of the employee right from the cradle to the grave. It takes care in such a way that he and his family gets the most benefit out of it. On the whole, labor welfare aims at minimizing stress and strains of industrial workers. It observes that the worker gets a clean and neat environment for work. They should also get safe working conditions with minimum hazards of work life. They should be able to live a life with dignity, status, and self-respect. And the scope differs from industry to industry and from country to country. So, as per 1981 census, women workers constitute about 19% of the total workforce, and majority of these women who are employed, they get employment in cotton, textiles, bead making, garment industries, rice mills, tobacco cutting, cashew nut, matches, construction work, plantations, and other household and small scale industries. So, on the account of scientific and technology development of the country, there is an increase in the employment of women in electronic industries. So, overall, what is labor welfare is? It is providing the working conditions and giving amenities which are really beneficial for the labor to work in a proper manner. And what is the scope is? The scope is completely a social responsibility which is not required by an industry to work, but the social responsibility of the industry aims at minimizing the stress minimizing the stress and improving the health conditions of the worker. So this is the labor welfare and its scope.